Would you like to have people from Australia, UK, Canada, or even the US watch your videos on YouTube? What I mean is people from these first class countries watch your videos anytime you upload them here on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the smart ways to getting people from these first class countries to watch your videos anytime you upload them on YouTube. If this is the first time of you seeing this channel, we frequently upload YouTube growth videos. So if it's something of your interest, then consider subscribing to this channel to be part of our amazing community of subscribers, because I'm going to be showing you every single thing you need to do to start attracting viewers from these first class countries. You would as well want to support this channel by giving this video a like. That's certainly your way of encouraging me to keep making videos of this kind. So firstly, I'm going to be explaining to you why you should attract viewers from these first class countries. And secondly, I'm going to be showing you the smart proven ways you can follow to attract viewers from these first class countries. Two of these smart proven ways are my favorites, and I'll certainly try one of them out in my future videos, and you'll find out, especially if you are a committed subscriber or viewer to this channel. The third one is actually the easiest because it requires you to just click a button and then you have people from that country watch your videos. So to first of all find out the geographical location of the people that always watch your videos, you will need to come and click on one of your videos. Go ahead to click on the analytics, then you come and click on the audience tab of that video. You scroll down to where you see top geographies. That's where you would see the locations of the people that always watch your videos. If you check on your analytics and you realize that you are not getting views from these countries, don't worry, it's not too late. That's even why I'm making this video. So after this video, I believe you start implementing some of the ways I'm about to share with you in this video in your upcoming or future videos. So first, why should you even bother getting views from these first world class countries? That is Australia, UK, Canada, and the US. The reason is when you get people from these first class countries watch your videos, your ad revenue increases. What it means is that your CPM and your RPM will be very high. CPM is how much advertisers are willing to pay, and RPM is how much of a percentage YouTube is going to pay you based on how much the advertisers pay. When people from the first class countries watch your videos, you tend to earn a lot more money than when people from the third or even the fourth class countries watch your videos. This explains why two videos would get the same number of views, but their revenues would be way much different from each other. This is where you get 100,000 views from people from the third and fourth class countries, and then you'll be earning between $50 and $100. Whilst you get the same views from people from the first class countries, and then you'll be earning between $500 to $1,500. So you see, the difference is actually coming from where the people are watching your videos from. So always target views from people from these first class countries, and don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in a bit. Another reason why you should target views from these first class countries is that irrespective of where you live, you are going to be getting juicy brand deals. Another reason is that you are going to have a better audience engagement on your videos, and what that means is that you are going to be having people with high purchasing power engaging in your videos. So anytime you decide to launch a product or a service, you would have people to buy or patronize your service. Okay, so now you see reasons why you should target views from these first class countries. Now let's talk about how you can get views coming from these first class countries. The first thing you need to do is to deliberately pick a niche or a topic that is appealing to people in the Western countries. The truth is, the topic you talk about in your videos determines the country your views are going to come from. There are certain topics that appeals to people in the US or the UK. So when you go for these topics, you naturally attract people from those countries. Other niches or topics attract people from Australia or Canada because they are more popular and profitable in those areas. So the first important step is attracting people from these areas by talking about topics that are popular in these areas. So once you find topics that are popular in those areas, the next thing you would want to do is posting your videos at the right time. And of course, all the countries have different time zones. There's a different time zone for Australia, different time zone for Canada, different time zone for UK and the US. So you'd have to strategically post your videos at the times that they are active so that they'll be able to interact and engage in your videos. And the third way to attracting views from these first class countries, which is one of my favorites, is simply clicking on a button. So in the settings, there's a button you click when you are uploading your videos so that your video will be recommended recommended to people from these first class countries. This setting can only be activated when you are uploading your videos so that YouTube will recommend your videos to people from these first class countries. So basically, you would have to activate a particular location for every video you upload, and you do that by simply turning these settings you see right here on. So what you have to know is that you can only target one country at a time. There's no way you can target more than one country at a time. Doing this is all about changing your video location and metadata while uploading your video. You scroll down to this place where they say set your video location, and all you need to do is to set the location to UK, Canada or US. But what you have to understand is, like I said, you can only choose one location at a time. You can't choose more than one location at a time. So make sure to choose one location at a time per a video. And the next way is, which is one of my favorites, is collaborating with another creator from any of those countries. When you collaborate with a creator from Canada, US or UK, there's going to be so many audience from that creator who are already living in those countries. And the moment these audience see you on that other creator's video, a lot of them are going to watch, and as well, a lot of the views are going to come from the audience in that country. A lot of them are going to end up subscribing to your channel. So with this, you increase your chances of getting views coming from the UK, Australia, Canada or US, depending on the person you collaborate with. Just as I said earlier, this is one of the things I'm certainly open up to trying in one of my future videos. So if you're a content creator living in Canada, Australia, UK or the US, and you are watching this video, I would like to have a collaboration with you. And I don't mind how many subscribers you have. I just want to connect with different people on here. Let me also clear that I'm not entirely geographically specific to only people from these areas, because that might really make it look like I'm discriminating, and that's not a good thing to do. So irrespective of wherever you are and you are watching this video and you would want to have a collaboration with me, I'm definitely open for it. All I want is to connect with different people all over the world on this platform. The next way to attract views from these countries is to use hashtags and SEOs. So it is important to include hashtags of the countries in which you are targeting. So when you are writing your SEOs, you can include hashtags like tips for business owners in Canada. You can also say tips for startups in UK or the US. These things will certainly help in pushing your videos to audience in these countries. Another way you can also get views coming from these countries is through paid advertising. So with paid advertising, you can actually decide who sees your videos. So when you're running search ads, you can decide to target audience from the UK, Canada or Australia. This way, your advert will be shown to people who are living in these countries so that they get to see and interact with your videos. So this is one of the powerful ways to attract people from these locations. A bonus tip is to promote your videos in UK or US based social media groups. Share your videos in Facebook groups, Reddit community and forums that are popular in the US or UK. So if your channel is monetized and you are not making a lot of money on YouTube, it's basically because of where your views are coming from. And if you are as well making a lot of money, that's because a lot of your views are coming from these first class countries. So if you want to increase your revenue, these are the smart proven ways to go about it. So get into action and start implementing them, and I hope you see great results. If you enjoyed this video, then you certainly will enjoy this video as well. See you in that video. Thank you for watching, and if you've learned a thing or two, feel free to let me know in the comments and as well what you'll be trying out.